Hello everyone. Today we are going. In this video, I'm going to solve a pretty long challenge questions. Till now, I have solved first three. It's showing wrong here, but I have solved it. I got this correct in the fifth attempt. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to solve. What's the solution of the first problem and how I came about it. First, I'm going to explain the problem, obviously. So, so the problem says chef has three drawers. Okay, let me open a Paint. So chef has three socks in his drawers. Each socks has one of the 10 possible colors, which are represented by integers between 1 to 10, 1 and 10. With specifically the colors of the socks are A, B, C. Chef has to wear two socks of the same color, which have the same color. Help chef find out if it is possible or not. So the question says basically there is a drawer, and there are three. These are socks. Sock A, sock A, sock B, sock C, and we just have to check if any two socks are same. So if any two socks are of the same color, then we have to print yes. See, chef has to wear two socks which have the same color. That's the main thing here, and the solution is easy. We have to just put a if else condition if A and B are equal or B and C are equal. If 4 is equal to 3, if 4 is if 4 is equal to 3, 5 is equal to 4, or 5 is equal to 3. I mean, instead of 4, 3, AB. If A is equal to B, or if B is equal to C, if A is equal to C, if any of these conditions are true, print yes. If no, if all these three conditions are false, then print no. So here's my Python solution. I'm usually I actually am a C++ coder, but I'm learning Python, so I thought of trying out Python for this long challenge. So we are taking input in the three variables ABC by using the split function, and we are just filling the conditions. Yeah, this was an easy one. Okay, now next move on to the next solution.